Hi, my name is Trish Chademana, and I am applying to join this fellowship, or at least this program, because I believe that youth in Zimbabwe have been excluded for a very long time in governance issues. Of all of our problems, one of the greatest ones that we find, one of the greatest challenges, is the exclusion of youth in decision-making situations and in decision-making processes, which include both in the current governance structures, in civil society, and most importantly, even within opposition parties. Most of the time, youth are used as tools to perpetrate or to perpetuate certain ideologies and certain positions, and therefore they're only able to access invited spaces, whereas they're not able to actually create spaces or be taken seriously in certain places. And given that we are inheriting this country, we will be inheriting everything and all of the decisions that are being made at the moment. I believe it's time we start creating more spaces for youth involvement. I love some of the examples that we've seen across the African continent. If you're looking at what's the work that's being done in Kigali in Rwanda, and I believe even if you look at across Europe, if you're looking at Germany, if you're looking at the Netherlands, you're seeing more and more youth initiatives and more youth efforts in Sweden that are actually happening. And I do believe that being part of this program and being able to actually co-create something tangible and actually go beyond just conversations, but actually create a program, create a project that helps us to share knowledge, to share wisdom, and also to be able to actually just compare notes and create something tangible that helps us across networks to solve the problems that are not only faced here in Zimbabwe or in the African continent, but actually solve the problems that we share across the globe. Because as we see the problems that are developing in the continent and the problems that are happening in the United States, in Europe, in China, and Asia are pretty much the same. The world is globalizing very rapidly, and it means that all of our problems will eventually be shared by all of us. And I think it's time we sit down together and create global solutions for all of our global challenges. Thank you, and I hope you do consider me.